Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to change the main display in Wukong game. To change the main display, firstly click on Escape button, and here on the top panel find Settings. Just press on D button. Afterwards, here on the left panel find Display. And as you can see here I have HWP2949. This is the main display I've selected. As you can see I have the same displays, but on the left display I have OBS Studio enabled, opened, because I'm recording this video, right? So I can change it, but it's useless in my case. But if you want to change the monitor displaying your gameplay, so just change it here. Thanks for watching, like this video, hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.